In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to a Hostinger website. If you want to monetize your site with ads, Hostinger makes the setup process very simple by placing the AdSense option directly inside the website editor. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to get to the right section so you can begin connecting AdSense to your website smoothly. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you're entering the main dashboard where all of your websites and hosting tools are managed. This is the control area where you'll be able to access your site settings, editing options, and built-in integrations. Once you're inside your account, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your websites are listed. If you have more than one site connected to your Hostinger account, take a moment to choose the correct one before moving forward. That helps avoid making changes to the wrong website. After that, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger website editor, which is where you can customize your site's content, design, and connected services. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your website, it may take a few seconds for the editor to load, so just give it a moment if needed. When the editor is open, look to the left side of the screen and click More. This section contains additional tools and settings that aren't shown in the main editing panel. It's a useful area to remember because many important features are grouped there. Next, click Integrations. This is where Hostinger lets you connect third-party services and tools to your website. Integrations help expand what your website can do without requiring manual coding, which is especially helpful if you want a faster and easier setup process. Inside the Integrations section, click Google AdSense. This opens the area related to AdSense connection and setup. From here, you'll be able to continue the process of linking your website with your AdSense account according to the options Hostinger provides. As a quick tip, before using AdSense, make sure your website has real content, working navigation, and essential pages already published, since that can help with the approval process. Also, double-check that you're working on the live site you actually want to monetize. That's it for this tutorial. You've now seen how to locate the Google AdSense option inside Hostinger and begin the setup process from your website editor.